Hello there, I'm Mike from Music Radio Creative. In this video, I wanted to show you Audacity's secret weapon, spectral editing for noise reduction and removal. So let's hop in. I've got a little piece of audio here with a waveform display. Let's listen.
Your competition, looking at them as allies instead of your
Now, the issue we're encountering here is that as I play that audio back, there's a lot of wind noise. Now, we could use a noise removal and noise reduction tool, but how about the Spectogram view in Audacity? It's pretty cool. So on the track with the audio, just click the three dots up here in the top right and look for Spectogram. When you click that, you get a spectral frequency view. You may have seen this if you've worked in Adobe Audition before, and essentially it shows you a heat map of where all the frequencies are in your recording. So up here at the top at the high ends, then we've got the mids and the low. You can see there's quite a lot of low end. Low end is where the wind noise will be, by the way, and that's what we're going to remove. And also up here at the high, you'll see occasional peaks in the heat here. This is where the speaker will say S.
Stead.
So you heard the stead, so of stead, so this is good for sibilance reduction. But right now, let's focus on that wind. Let's play.
Your competition, looking at them as allies.
So you can see most of the wind is occurring down here. And actually in the Spectogram view, I can select that wind. Let's select just a small portion with wind. And then all we need to do to erase it using the spectral tools is going to Effect, Spectral Tools right here, and go for the Spectral Edit Multi-Tool. Just click it once, and boom, it reduces dramatically the wind in the recording. Let's listen back and note that here there is wind, then we've put in our little edit, and then the wind will pop back in again.
Your competition, looking at them as allies instead of your competition, looking at them as allies.
Okay, I think you'll agree that's a pretty significant reduction. Now, we could go ahead and use a noise reduction and removal tool here in Audacity and completely clean up the wind further, but the spectral edit tools are really cool for making quick edits, as you'll see. Same with the sibilance up here. If we really don't like the way this S sounds here, now when I select it and play back,
instead of,
it actually plays all the frequencies, so it won't isolate the single frequency we've highlighted here. But what I can now do is again go into Effect, Spectral Tools, and Spectral Edit Multi-Tool, and it's going to reduce that sibilance there, focusing on the center, of course.
Instead of,
it actually makes it sound a little bit nasally, so it may not be the best tool. Let's go into Effect, Spectral Tools, and try the Spectral Edit Parametric EQ, and we'll do a gain reduction of -24 to really show this in effect, and boom, now look how much that sibilance was reduced.
as allies instead of.
Okay, you'd probably say that's a little bit too much. I can hear that reduction. But if we go back in and go to Spectral Tools and go for the Spectral Edit Parametric EQ, maybe we just do a gain reduction of, say, 5.8 dB, click Apply, and you'll see how it's reduced the sibilance.
Instead of.
There we go. So we've got less sibilance on the speech. So you can see with these tools, we can do a lot with our audio, really clean it up and make it sound a whole lot better. Now I'll show you on this further section of audio, if we select where the rest of the wind is, probably up until here, you can do something harsher. So Effect, Spectral Tools, and Spectral Delete. This will completely delete audio in the selected frequency range. So if I do that, look at that, it's basically deleted the low end, but this won't sound good. Let's have a listen.
Competitors, these people that are doing things differently than me, these people that are taking my audience.
And do you know what? That's actually not too bad, but we've completely eliminated the low end by doing that edit. So rather than going into Effect, Spectral Tools, and going for Spectral Delete, and basically erasing all those frequencies, use the Spectral Edit Multi-Tool for a softer change. Now, if you like what you see so far, make sure you throw a like on this video and subscribe to my channel because I'm always doing videos just like this one. Next up, I've loaded in one more example I wanted to show you with the great spectral tools when we're in the Spectogram view of Audacity.
But they haven't really thought it through.
Oh, there's a little parrot as the person speaks. So let's inspect here with the Spectogram. By the way, if you wanted to work with both, you can actually go for the multi-view. So you can see the waveform and the Spectogram at the same time, if that's the way you like to work. But I'm going to switch off multi-view and then expand this so we can really see it. And actually, we can see the parrot is there. there. In fact, you can see that wavy line is the parrot whistling.
Put it through.
And again, we're hearing all the frequencies as we play back, not just the isolated parrot as Audacity is right now. And then I'll go into Effect and we'll look for our spectral tools again, and we'll go for the Spectral Edit Multi-tool, and look at that, it's deleted right through the center. Let's play back.
They haven't really thought it through.
And that's significantly reduced our parrot. We can again try other tools such as Spectral Tools, Spectral Edit Parametric EQ, and we'll do a full-on 24 dB gain reduction there. Look at that, significantly removed the parrot but kept the rest of the speech intact.
They haven't really thought it through.
And that's actually pretty good. Now, it's not quite as good as the Magic Brush in Adobe Audition, and I've done a video on that, but this tool for a free audio editor, Audacity, that's pretty epic. Let's undo it and try other stuff. Now, of course, if we go into the spectral tools and do a spectral delete, it will completely erase those frequencies. It's going to sound terrible.
They haven't really thought it through.
It sounds like he's lost a whole bunch of frequencies there in the middle of his voice. And finally, if we go to spectral tools and spectral edit shelves, let's go ahead and delete at main -24 gain reduction. And again, it's just rolling off those frequencies around the parrot.
They haven't really thought it through.
And again, it's done a significant job. So you might want to experiment with the best tool for your noise reduction use case, whether it's removing parrots, mobile phones ringing, wind noise. You can do all of this in the Spectogram view of Audacity, and it really is a hidden secret tool that you can utilize to do advanced noise reduction for free in this amazing audio editor. If you want to see more videos on Audacity, go and watch what's showing up on your screen right now. I'm sure it'll help you. And if this video helped you, throw a like and remember to subscribe, because there will be plenty more just like this one.